Photoshop 2026 now includes new AI image generation models, and Nano Banana is the one built for emotion. It captures subtle expressions, lighting, and atmosphere that make portraits feel super cinematic right inside Photoshop. We're going to start with this studio image and turn it into this outdoor scene. Select the layer, open Generative Fill, and choose Nano Banana from the model picker. Then describe your new background scene. Notice the lighting on her face and her shoulders from the sun compared with the studio lighting before. Next, we're going to have her so she's turned facing looking toward us. Look at how natural her facial features look with the lighting. Then we're going to use the selection tool and remove her sunglasses. Now we have to make sure to select not only the sunglasses, but also the shadow that the sunglasses create on her face. Notice the lighting matches perfectly again. Nano Banana reads faces beautifully and balances highlights and shadows for realism. Now let's take the studio image and change the expression and background. I'll switch to a pink backdrop and add a soft drop shadow. See how this balances the highlights and shadows for realism. Now we can go in and make more edits, like removing the banana and changing it so she's looking at the camera. Her smile and facial features look natural. Try Nano Banana inside Photoshop 2026 and compare it with other partner models like Flux Context Pro. Watch the full Photoshop 2026 Top 5 updates to see everything in one place. Don't forget to like and subscribe.